Team, Saturday morning. We'll call it pre-dawn. I didn't pick up much this week. Obviously, I haven't done much of cleaning the garage either. Didn't trash the shelf back up yet. We picked this up a while ago. I mainly grabbed it for parts because I have one like it inside and it's broken. So Mrs. Duggar already took the part off. We're going to see if we can't put it in the other one and make it work again. I don't think anything has changed. I did not come out here and do much of anything. I didn't give any of that away like I was supposed to. We did do pickups. We got an Airdyne, which best I can tell works. It's just missing the seat. So I don't know the plan with that currently. We did get once a week guy stuff. Got our normal aluminum-y stuff. I think the 4 aluminum wheels are pretty much the brag. I mean, these are aluminum. And these are almost always all aluminum except the bushing in there. You can't see it anyway. We were supposed to get a ridiculous snowstorm this weekend. Like, it's making national news, it's not even here. Everything is dry. Hey, we did get the Jeep back. So, I will tell you the story of the Jeep at some point. Yeah. Huge snowstorm. Up to 30 inches of snow. We'll see. I might believe we'll get 12 or so, but I could be wrong. We'll see. Like I said, it's kind of pre-dawn, and the pavement's dry. So it has not made it here yet. But if it does, I will film something of it. Might even post this a little late. I don't know. Depends how dramatic the storm is. If it's not really dramatic, because I guess it's supposed to snow starting this morning sometime, Saturday morning, all the way through Monday morning. So, like I said, we'll see. I think it's a little overhyped. Up to 30 inches seems a little ridiculous. Not that it hasn't happened in the past. We've had some March snowstorms with big, wet, heavy snow that have trashed stuff. Broken trees, collapsed buildings. I don't know. We'll see. I think it's overhyped, like I said, but we will see. All right, team, so here's what we got going on. This piece, you twist it, and it adjusts the angle of the vertical blinds. On mine, it is stripped. You turn it, and it doesn't turn this aluminum shaft, which changes the angle of all the blinds. So the plan, they're not exactly the same, but the plan is just to slide out the one that's stripped and put in the one that works. And then I will read to reattach this plastic piece. The plastic pieces are what keep the blinds spaced. So when you pull the rod across, it spaces them all out. And then when you shove the rod back, the plastic pieces fold or overlap, letting the blinds all come together. See how they're all... Anyway, so take the 2 screws out, pull the end cap off, slide this guy off the end, disconnect his plastic piece, and then hopefully it's just slide this guy in and connect the plastic piece to him, and we're done. If not, I had to buy one anyway, right? And they're expensive if you've ever bought these. I want to say they're like $60 or something. Anyway, that's the plan. Alright, team, I think we're fixed. What we ended up doing was repairing the donor one and taking parts off the one we had. These tabs, these plastic tabs, they go down the center in the one I own. They were off to the side on the donor one. They weren't attached in the center, they were attached over on the side. So I could not get this to plug into that because it was off. Anyway, I think we're good to go. What we had to do was replace these. That's from our broken one, because some of them were broken. Otherwise, I would have just swapped it. And I think I'm going to have to replace some hardware, because this one looks wider than this one. We'll go find out. Alright, team, Saturday. About 1 p.m. My phone does not pick up flurry, snow, whatever very well. But it's finally doing something. The ground is wet. And I don't know if you can see the flakes or not. Anyway, I'll update you later. Alright, team, Saturday, 5:30 p.m. It's still snowing about as hard as it was earlier. If you could have seen it, I don't know if it shows up. My phone's not real good about picking up snowflakes. It is starting to maybe slush on the ground, but it's still mostly just wet. It is sticking over there in the rock and the grass. But, oh, it's sort of starting to slush. I don't know if you can see it. Or slush on the pavement, I guess. A little bit sticking in the street. But it's been pretty much this rate of snow for, wow, 4 hours now, 5 hours now. I guess it'd be 4 hours. Looks like I got about an inch, maybe an inch and a half on the trailer. Anyway, I wanted to do this real quick because it'll get dark and I probably won't be able to film anything. But I'll catch up later. Alright, team, Sunday morning. With the time change, it's 8 a.m. It's not super impressive. Let me get my tape. I already grabbed my tape. 6 inches. 6 inches. I'm sure it's deeper on the trailer because it was sticking way earlier on the trailer. Anyway, I'm going to get a shovel and start shoving it around. We got to go do some snow removal. But I'm going to clear my driveway first because I'm not in a big hurry to go do the other snow removal because it's still actively snowing. I don't know if you can see it or not. Not sure what to use as a background to try and see it. Anyway, we'll get out there. Alright, team. Sunday afternoon. We got back from shoveling and snow blowing. I didn't have a tape measure when I was there, and I couldn't film because, you know, it's the same old rental story. It was I believe 18 inches, going by how deep it was when I walked through it. So it was 18 inches deep over in that area. And I took the Subaru because I figured they would have plowed. They didn't plow everything. So I got high-centered stuck, I think 4 times. The last time, the guy had a rope and he pulled me. He pulled me like a block and a half to the plowed road. Maybe it was 2.5 blocks. It was at least 2 blocks. Anyway, he pulled me to the plowed road. Because I did fine till I tried to get down to the very last street. You know what I'm trying to say. This is how deep the snow was. That's from me pushing the snow with the front of the car. And I think, wow, look at all that. I don't know if you can see it. It is just caked. Let me get a flashlight or something. Look at that. I bet you, I didn't knock the alignment out. I bet you that, oh, look at that. This is to catch oil. I got this box under there to catch the oil. It's already that full of slush from it falling off the bottom. Oh, man. Sorry, guys. Waste a lot of your money. Alright, sorry, guys. I squeezed a button on the side of the phone trying to switch it back and forth. Anyway, it is packed up in there. Look at that. Can you see a chunk there? Holy smoke. Look at the wheels. You see it all on the inside of the rim. Oh, wow. Anyway, we were snow blowing 18-inch deep snow and using the bumper of the car to push it down the street. And like I said, I got stuck. I think I got stuck 4 times. And the last time, the guy was nice enough to pull me out with a strap rope thing. What I was going to say was, I thought I messed up the alignment, but I bet all that snow and ice is packed around the front CV axles. So it's making it act funny because it's like spinning inside all that ice and snow. So I'll have to, once all that melts off, I'll have to check it again. Let me get a total on the trailer there. Oh, definitely ready for a big sody. So I got 9.5 on the trailer, 11 on this dryer. I don't know if you could see that. I couldn't even see my phone screen. Anyway, we did the snow blowing, shoveling. Wasn't too bad. On the way back, it was blizzard conditions. Like whiteout. Like, you know, you could only see 4 or 5 car lengths in front of you. But we did make it back to the house. We're done. I'm going to wrap you guys up at some point here. Oh, broken branches. Insane amounts of broken branches. Laying in the street, on people's roofs. Just tons and tons of broken branches. Like, oh man, like 12-inch diameter. Like, seriously. I don't like this tape measure. I mean, like branches 12 inches. 12 inches across were broken laying in the street. Because the snow, it's a wet, heavy snow, and it's sticking to everything. I got broken branches here in the back. Because I don't have any trees in the front anymore. Anyway, let me see if there's anything I missed. This thing. I forgot about this thing. We put it back up. I had to use the brackets from the other one because this one is wider than the donor one that we ended up just swapping out. It works perfect, or works just fine, or whatever you want to say. It's not like new, but it's like new used. So I'm probably just going to scrap what's left of this one down and toss it. I just remembered that when I looked over and saw this. So let me look around some. All right, team, let's call that a video. It's plenty long. Too long. Anyway, thanks for watching. Take it easy. I'll see you next week, team.